Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Hopelessly Trying. On today's video, I'll be attempting to recreate Mount Fuji for the second time. The first time I did it was 4 months ago. It was one of the first videos that I posted. And this time around I said I'm going to retry it, repaint it, and see and use most of the skills and the techniques that I've learned on this painting and see if there's any improvement whatsoever. Before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Your feedback means a lot to me, guys. Painting this the second time around was actually a whole lot easier and faster. I don't know if I'm making sense right now, because already I have some aspects when it comes to certain things. Like I know right now, concerning perspective, I've been watching so many videos and stuff. I know that I still have to work on it, but I know that I have to go from the tree seeming very close, and then the further I go it seems smaller. So that's why I made it seem like, you know, like something that's going down or descending, like a graph. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the top seems way higher and then keeps going down, and the further we go it's supposed to seem a bit darker. So that is what I was trying to do. So I just I did a bit of light blocking, like the composition that they kept telling me about. Wow, you know, like I've been watching so much videos, and I've been trying to practice so much. Every time that I'll try to do something, I know that I still have so much work to improve, but so much stuff to improve. But this time around I tried using lighting, dark, to try and give it the aspect of something that's curved, something that seems further away, something that seems closer. All those things I've learned from watching certain videos and reading as well. And I was like, you know, I believe that this video is going to be a better improvement from the first one. I actually tried getting the first video to show you guys what I did, but I wasn't able to actually add it on this video. So I am really sorry. My editing skills also need some work. I've got a lot of things to work on, but the further that I continue, the more that I paint and stuff, I see that I'm gradually learning and improving. There's still a number of things that I need to work on and improve. For example, just looking at that cloud, it looks like a UFO. The first face painting, I also did almost the same thing. But then the thing is, when I was looking at the picture, it has a curve on it. It's supposed to be clouds, but it has a curve on it, and that curve keeps making it seem like it's on a it's like a UFO or some sort. And that's the part that makes it seem all off. But I'm like, you know, I'm going to continue attempting to paint this until I manage to master it. I think I'm going to try painting it again the third time round after 4 months. You know, I'll try using again all the techniques that I've learned. I'm going to go and learn again how to try and paint clouds so that I can be able to paint it perfectly. And I'm going to try and paint light, because I still have issues learning how to paint light. I don't know how to do it. It's either one big mess and all, but I'm like, I'm not about giving up. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to continue until I manage to perfect it. Because when I was watching my first video of this, I was so embarrassed. I was really embarrassed. But I'm like, you know, this is all about growing. This is all about learning. I can't expect myself to become great at the first attempt. That is why we have so many attempts, you know. The person that created light created it 999 times, almost 1,000 times. They never gave up until they finally managed to succeed. And that is what I'm going to do. I am not going to give up until I manage to succeed, until I'm able to do something and you won't know if it's a picture or if it's a painting. And that is what I'm aiming for. I want my paintings to look so realistic that even I do a double take, because I'm not really sure if it was painted or it was photographed. But you know, we don't get perfect within a day. And as I've said before, Rome was not built in a day. It took years, it took months. It's a work in process and progress. And I'm going to continue practicing. I'm going to continue working on it until I've managed to find that I'm at a level that I'm happy with. But I'll never stop. I'll never stop trying. I'll never stop learning. And that's the thing with art. Art, you always have that chance, that opportunity to learn and improve. And I love it. I love it so much because I'm all about learning something new. So now I'm just trying to add a little bit of details, to the trees that I created earlier on, adding some bit of color and all those things. It started looking a whole lot different from the first one, and I was really happy with this. I'm always happy with what I do, but whenever I see it and I look at it again from a different eye, a different perspective, I always end up saying I congratulate myself. I think I'm becoming my biggest fan. And that is actually really great because I was like, I'm not gonna let myself be put down or feel so much doubt because I feel I'm not as good as the next person that I'm watching. But I am growing at my own pace. I am learning at my own pace. So the way that I have improved and the way I've gotten better is at my level. And I can't say that I am not great because that person managed to do it perfectly. I do not know how long they've been taking to paint that. But this has taken me, like I've said, it's been a year now that I've been painting, and 8 months that I've been drawing. No, 7 months. Sorry about that. And any improvement that I have created, that I have made, to me is a really great is really great because just yesterday I wasn't able to do this, but today I'm able to create something and it seems good enough to show the world. I've added the pictures so you guys can compare. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys again next time. Bye.